for a good southern barbecue around here, near just kind of off the highway of I-95, because just passing through 7 hours today, so one of the bigger stretches to go see my little sister in Orlando, and definitely on the list is to get some really yummy finger licking barbecue type, or at the very least some fried chicken. Or chicken fried steak. Hey, I'm not married to one thing, but just something really good and southern, and preferably from a little mom and pop restaurant. We'll see. I did pass a gas station that had some really good, well, at least they advertised to have really amazing southern food, so I don't think it should be an issue if I'm seeing this stuff even at gas stations. I should be able to find something along the way. Just a little bit of some thoughts on my stay at Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. I found the accommodations okay. They were good. It was nice. I did enjoy myself. I had a pretty relaxing time. I got to sleep and rest, and I started watching the show one of my closest friends, Christine, recommended, called Younger. It's on Hulu, so I definitely would recommend watching. Give it like through the third episode to get obsessed with it. I almost gave up on the second, but then I just binge watched like an entire season, and I am gonna probably watch some more tonight. And anyway, if you like reading, you will probably like this show. It's about publishing, and it's just really good. And Hilary Duff is in it. I love Hilary Duff. So I would recommend staying by Muriel's Pier if you come to visit South Carolina or up north. I think for me, it was a little too rowdy, too crazy. It wasn't as clean. I just thought it was a little just not what I was looking for in terms of entertainment. As a foodie, I couldn't really find any good restaurants that the restaurants in the area, they had fresh food, which is great. They just didn't have anything interesting to me. They had the staples. They didn't have anything particularly southern, and they didn't really have things that I wanted to try. All the really good restaurants that I found, the menus that I got really excited about, were by Muriel's Pier. And there was one called Mojo in particular that had some really cool stuff, like some marinated grilled shrimp over polenta sticks, and like some crazy stuff. I don't know. It looked like, and they presumably have the best mojitos in town. It seemed like a Cuban, southern, and something else, maybe Asian fusion, because I believe they had some Asian flavors in there as well, some Latin flavors. It just seemed a really good place. And they had some other one also called Claw House, if you wanted to get some lobster and things like that, and some bar which is within, I think, right next to Claw House, dog saloon. So anyway, there was it was a beautiful, it looked online like it looked like a beautiful pier, so, and a little bit more in line with what I'm looking for when I'm traveling. So I would definitely come back down here and stay in that area so I can try all the food. But I gotta say, it was pleasurable staying there. It just wasn't what I was specifically looking for, just for me personally. Everyone around me was having a great time, and I was happy to see that. And there were lots of families. And I did get to do some karaoke at the hotel bar last night, which was really fun. I sang I Love Rock and Roll by Joan Jett, because she's awesome. And yeah, so that's it. That's all for now. So I am at, hi guys. So I am at Chicken Licken off Route I-95. And I purposely picked this place because I really wanted to have some South Carolina barbecue and fried chicken and such. And I am leaving the area, so I'm going into Georgia next. And I just wanted to get that in the way. Really excited. I literally have been driving for the last 2 hours just thinking about this fried chicken and this barbecue. And it's perfect because I had about
6 hours to get to my little sister's in Orlando, so 2 hours in, get my barbecue fix, and then drive the rest of the 4 hours after that with a happy warm belly full of barbecue and fried chicken. So I'm gonna show it to you now. All right, so here is like a ton of sauce. I got my sweet iced tea, I got more hot sauces here, and then I got this beautiful, I got the 3 meat combo. I got the fried chicken, dark meat. Absolutely beautiful. It smells amazing. It actually comes with a roll, which I was almost going to purchase. I'm gonna move this right over here. And then I got a huge slab of the brisket. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It is just beautiful. And then for the sides, I got candied yams. Oh my gosh, look at this. And I got, oh, it's just amazing. So, needless to say, I am super excited to be here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of like show you. Ooh, oh my god. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna crack open this beautiful barbecue sauce. Take just a sip of tea. And then I'm just gonna, the brisket, dip it right in. Wow, wow. This is definitely, if you're ever coming this way, like you have to stop at Chicken Licken. Let's go for the rib. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's like falling off the bone. Incredible. Dip that right in. The barbecue as well. Incredible. They actually have po' boys and fried gizzards and all other type of seafood. Like, they have a ton of stuff here. The staff is awesome. They're like, you can tell that they literally passed these recipes down, that they've been doing this for a while. I don't know how accurate that is. Don't quote me on that, but Chicken Licken of I-95, literally like 30 minutes outside of Georgia. Like, this has to be a stop if you're coming through north to south. Definitely stop by at Chicken Licken. Okay, so I made it to Orlando and the puppies are going crazy at my little sister's. I'll show you Ace, cause look at this baby. Look at this baby. He was also barking a lot, but he's doing a lot better now. And then Princess, come. Wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? Come, this is a good girl. Oh, she's so cute. She's a little cuckoo, but she's adorable. Look at her. Ace and Princess, the boy and the girl. Here, babies. Look at them. They're so cute. You guys are gonna be good? You're always good. You just like to talk. You just like to talk. All right. So over here, I kind of went on a tangent slightly, and I guess you can call it a little positive rant about how much I love to get local beers when I travel. And the puppies were making so much noise, so essentially this is all I got from Target. And the Sam Adams packet, it has some beer that I have already tried, and I think only one I had already tried, and the other ones were new for me. So, and that's always fun, especially because I was staying for a couple of days at my little sister's. So I got to kind of take my time and have some and just relax and enjoy. And it was really yummy, and not all of them were the IPA that I prefer, but that's okay because maybe I'll like a different kind of beer in a particular brand. So it's always worth to try it, even if it's not the exact beer that you normally drink. So all these that are in the video, I definitely recommend trying if you're ever in the Orlando area. And that's pretty much it. After that, we are going to my Tía Ernesto's for some food, and that should be really yum. as well. So, alrighty, talk soon. Oh, also these Crunch Cheeto popcorn mix is really good, and the whole thing about the jug of water was basically about always keeping hydrated, as I've mentioned many times. The more water you drink, the more beer you can have. So, win-win. So I am at my tío Ernesto's and I'm getting the seco de gallina o de pollo. De gallina que hizo doña Celinda.
Pero ¿cuánto tiempo no hace?
Y está increíble
Mami,
el olor,
Mom.
the smell that is coming
Can I eat
off
some
of this
lettuce?
plate. It is ridiculous. Like, you will never understand how good Ecuadorian food is until you have this kind of food from like people who have been making it this amazing. This is my little cousin Tristan.
Hi.
And now we're gonna.
Nice to meet you all.
Oh, she's so cute. I love her. Look at this cutie pie. She's so sweet.
Nice to meet you all.
And look at this. Look at this. It's hen seco. It has like a lot of like a broth with cilantro and all sorts of stuff. I'll put a recipe down below so you can attempt this at home. And of course the yellow rice. And then you have the hen. It's a hen stew essentially. It is absolutely amazing.